Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. And if you are new here, I'm Chloe. And today we are diving into the glamorous world of celebrity hair transformation. Have you ever wondered how stars like Ariana Grande, Kim Kardashian, and Selena Gomez switch up their hair so effortlessly? One day it's a slick bob, and the next day is long, and the next day is luxury wave. So, the secret out is all kind of hair extension. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's get started. Let's start with the queen of ponytail, Miss Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande's iconic high ponytail has become her signature look, and that super slick, long ponytail that isn't just natural. That is the magic of hair extension. If you want to have Ariana Grande high ponytail, our ponytail extensions are perfect for adding both volume and length. When we talk about Hollywood star with hair extension, a chances thing come to mind is Kim Kardashian. And this glamorous lady is a big fan of hair extension and is not shy about changing her hairstyle as often as outfit. The Spanish heritage of Selena Gomez provides her with natural curly hair, but what Selena Gomez doesn't have is super thick texture. And this is where the hair extension come in. Thus, Selena Gomez option for slightly lighter brunette set with her hair extension to create the balayage effect. To create Selena Gomez soft, voluminous wave, our clip in hair extension are perfect. You can curl or wave them like natural hair, giving you that perfect looking. The best part, is you can install them at home and they are super easy to remove at the end of the day. And there you have it. Three iconic celebrity hairstyles, all thanks to magic of hair extension. And wherever you are looking for to add volume, length, or just switch up your style with a special event, extensions are a perfect way to elevate your look without committing to a permanent change. If you are enjoying this video, be sure that like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tutorial, and hair inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!